Okay, this is for LaMinerva Bonsawcutter. This is the main controller board, the motor controller. You can see that B63001P, this model number for the two contactors. This is problem, the two contactors is stuck, is not working. This is the problem, all machine stripping, it's not working. But we need to change. This is the contactor. This is the main suppliers. This is the PCB board backside. This is the electronic part. Have two sensors for the, you can see yellow colors, green, brown. You can see first downside, this is motor starting capacitor. You can see this black color, therefore one sensor, the safety sensors, the magnetic, and green color black, this is the other sensor. This is the safety sensors. This is the emergency switch, and this one on off switch. This is the brand LaMinerva. This is the blade. We can change this blade. For this, the opening time door automatically close all machine. This safety switch, you can see that magnetic switch, the white color is magnet. Now it's closed. This is the other downside, have a other sensor. We can open this door and opening time automatically close the door, close machine. This is the main motor. This is the main power supply for motor. This is the main supply. You can see that 4 relay have 24 volt relay. This is the magnet. Okay, we can put the main supply. Okay, this is the motor main supply. We can check next video how to work in LaMinerva Bonsawcutter. Subscribe this channel and like this video, and give me the comment and what you want to next video. Thank you.